here's how to block sensitive content on Facebook feed. So in this video I'm going to exactly show you how you can block sensitive content on your Facebook feed. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first of all, you just have to go to Facebook. So here, as you can see, I'm on Facebook right now. What you have to do right over here is just go to your menu. Once your menu, go ahead and press on the gear icon on the top. Once you press on it, scroll down a bit until you see newsfeed. Just press on the newsfeed. And here, as you can see, you'll be able to see many options right over here. You just basically have to go to reduce. Just press on reduce. Once you're in reduce, go ahead and press on sensitive content. And here, as you can see, in here your default setting would be on reduce. So you have to press on reduce more to not see more of the sensitive content. So once you press on reduce more, go back. And now you just have to go to navigation bar. Once you've done your newsfeed settings, go to press on navigation bar. Here you have to press on customize the bar, and here you will be able to see an option of video. Just press on video, and here you will be see auto right next to it. Just press on the auto option and the arrow, and here you will be able to see hide. Just press on hide, and here, as you can see, the video is hidden. And that's how you can block sensitive content on your Facebook feed. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.